Hello, and welcome to today's Focus on the Test mini lesson. Welcome to all of our subscribers, and thank you very much for joining us. Also to our students, continue the excellent progress that you're making, and remember that your labor is not in vain. It will pay off in the end. If you're an adult seeking to earn your high school credential, be sure to check out our website at www.yourpathforadultlearners.com, where you can learn more about our online GED and Hiset program. So now on to our lesson for the day. Hello, Your Path, and welcome to today's mini lesson. So in today's lesson, we will be discussing a math word problem that will be taught by one of our tutors. Our students are encouraged to make sure that you attend our group tutoring sessions, which are held weekly, and that you also schedule your one-on-one tutoring sessions if you feel that you need the extra support. So as you're watching the instruction, be sure to take notes. So now here's what a test item may look like. During the final tournament, it was decided that Mike's score was half as that of Sierra's score, and Kim's score was twice that of Sierra. If Kim's score was 60, what was Mike's score? And here you have your 5 options. You have option A, 10, option B, 15, option C, 25, option D, 30, and option E, 40. So now let's get on to the lesson. Are you looking for a convenient way to study for your GED and Hiset exam and earn your high school equivalency diploma? Well, we offer free online GED and Hiset preparation courses to get you prepared. Visit our website at www.yourpathforadultlearners.com and get on your path towards success today. We would like to take this opportunity to thank our tutors for providing both our individual and group tutoring sessions. Thank you to Mr. Pablo, who teaches our group tutoring sessions on Tuesdays and Thursdays. He teaches literacy from 1 to 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and mathematics from 1 to 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursdays. Thank you to Mr. Allison, who teaches our science group session on Fridays from 2 to 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And thank you to Mr. Farrow, who teaches our mathematics on Saturday from 6 to 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Our students are encouraged to make sure that you participate in both our group tutoring sessions as well as our individual tutoring sessions to make sure that you are prepared to successfully pass your GED and Hiset exam. Thank you very much to our tutors. We appreciate your service.
And I'll just write that out or type it out. And like that, you see Mike's score is half of Sierra's, so if you divide Sierra's score by 2, you'll get Mike's score. And then it goes on to say that Kim's score was twice that of Sierra. So if we multiply Sierra's score by 2, Sierra's score multiplied by 2, it would equal Kim's score. Right now, all we have to do is kind of just read through the problem and see what relevant pieces of information we can extract from the problem that'll help us solve it. And these are probably the 2 main things. And then it goes on to say Kim's score was 60. So we could actually substitute in 60 for Kim's score. So that's that is a 60. And then this is similar to like an algebraic equation. Sierra's score is like an unknown variable. It's like if you have been working on your algebra, it's like X or like a Y or a C or a D. You know, it's just a letter. It's just an unknown variable to represent Sierra's score. So like any variable, we could isolate the variable in order to find what the value is. So by that, I just mean to use basic algebraic techniques to isolate Sierra's score. So it says Sierra's score times 2 will equal 60, which was Kim's score. But if you divide both sides by 2, you could isolate Sierra's score. And you'll get 60 divided by 2.
Stay tuned. We'll be right back. We would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge our students. Great job to Ms. Lisa on passing your official GED Science exam as well as your official GED Social Studies exam. Great job to Ms. Kaya on demonstrating test readiness in language arts. Great job to Ms. Candace on demonstrating test readiness in RLA. Great job to Ms. Carolyn on advancing from your pre-Hiset to your Hiset math. Great job to Ms. Clementine on demonstrating strong scores in math and your reading content areas to include test readiness in RLA. Great job to Mrs. Billy on demonstrating test readiness in social studies and writing. And welcome to all of our new students. We are glad to have you and look forward to your success in our program. Remember, every day you get closer to your goal, which makes your goal closer than you can ever imagine. Are you looking to support a worthy cause? Well, here's how you can help support your path's vision and mission. Our I Still Have a Dream raffle drawing is coming soon, so stay tuned for more details on how you can participate. Remember, your path is a 501c3 organization, therefore, all donations are tax deductible.
So your answer from that point could look something like this. So Sierra score would equal 60 divided by 2, which equals 30. And now we know Sierra's score. And then if we look at the equation that we kind of took from the word problem, the first equation we took, we see that Sierra's score divided by 2 equals Mike's score, because like it says in the word problem, Mike's score was half as that of Sierra's score. So if you divide Sierra's score by 2, once again, it'll equals Mike's score. And we know from the bottom equation that Sierra's score is 30. So if we substitute 30 in for Sierra's score, then as you can see, Mike's score is already isolated in this equation. Mike's score is already by itself. So this is supposed to be a 30, not a 6. So let me make that more clear. So 30, and then it says, oh, 30 divided by 2 equals Mike's score. So that's some simple division. 30 divided by 2 equals 15. So then we could solve that, and we know Mike's score is equal to 15. That is what we were looking for, actually. So what was Mike's score? Mike's score was 15. So the problem we just solved focused on 2 key topics: algebra and solving word problems. So, algebra is kind of the process of just isolating a variable, like x is usually a common variable they use, and through dividing both sides and multiplying both sides. Now, an important idea here is that what you do on one side, like if you divide by 2, you have to do on the other side. Or you multiply on one side, you have to do on the other side. And that's probably the most important part of algebra. But once you get used to algebra, it becomes pretty easy, and once you get pretty comfortable with it, then you could fly through those algebra problems. The key to solving word problems is to find the relevant information, not read every single word, but find the relevant information to the problem and extract that information. And then once you get all the information you need, like I did, you could easily just solve through all the information through algebra. But first, you have to extract the information from the word problem and write it out in an equation or an algebraic equation that you're comfortable with, that you've practiced. So it's easy then. So it's kind of just the process of understanding the relevant important information, not every single word, but just find the relevant information in the word problem, converting it to like an algebraic mathematical equation that you're comfortable in solving, and then just solving it and just getting the answer.
Do you know that you can now take your official GED and Hiset exam from the comfort of your own home? That's right. The GED and Hiset exam are now being offered through online home testing. Both exams will be administered through an online proctor. However, candidates must make sure that they qualify for these services and that you have the necessary equipment to access these services. To learn more about these services, you can visit the official GED website or the official Hiset website. Our students can conveniently go to our website, click on About the Test, scroll down, where you can access both the official GED and the official Hiset website. So good luck testing. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification button down below so that you're notified on our new releases. Also, join us on our other social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.